Hello, everybody. Once again, I welcome you all in my English class. So, we are learning together some words. Yes, and which words we were learned previously? Can you tell me? Yes, we have learned EG words. E sound, EG words. So come take a look and revise with me. Then we will play a game today. Yes, you heard me right. Today we will play a game and it will give you a fun. Okay? So come, let's revise first. So tell me, what is it? Yes, we eat it and it is the source of protein, right? So this is egg, 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 and it comes from hen, right? Egg comes from hen. Now our next word. Okay, for this I will give you a hint and you have to understand the word. Okay, tell me children, which part of our body helps us to walk, to jump, to run and to do this kind of things? Tell me. Yes, absolutely. It is leg. Good. And how many legs do you have? Yes, I have 2 legs. And how many? What about you? Okay, so you have also 2 legs. Right. So the next word is leg. 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 Okay, so we are moving towards our next word. To tell that, I will give you hint. Okay, so take the hint. We use it to hang our wet clothes. Yes, we use it to hang our wet clothes. And the word starts with P. Yes. Which EG words I am talking about? Absolutely, that is peg. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. Have you seen pegs before? Yes, you have seen it and you use it also. So the word is peg. Well, for the next word, you have to go through the picture. Now see the picture and tell me what the man is doing. Yes, he is begging, right? So, he is begging for money here or food, but you can also beg for permission. Yes, you can also beg for permission. You can also beg for to buy something new. So, begging means to take permission, to seeking urge from somebody. That is called begging. Onumoti newa. Okay? So, this is beg. B-E-G, beg. Well, now look at the picture and you know this thing, right? It is used to keep most of the time the liquidy things. So the name of this thing is, yes, it starts with K. Now tell me what is it? This is keg. K-E-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. Dear children, do you remember this pretty girl? Yes, what is her name? We have learned it. Yes, her name is Meg. M-E-G, Meg. M-E-G, Meg. So, here are the bunch of words that you have learned from your previous EG words video. Okay, so let's learn again. K-E-G, keg. M-E-G, meg. B-E-G, beg. L-E-G, leg. E-G-G, egg. So these are the words. Now we will play a beautiful game. Yes, and it's very interesting. You have to see the image first. Okay, so come, let's see it. Look at the thing. And first we will read the heading. Come, read with me. F-I-N-D, find. T-H-E, the. E-G words. And draw the pictures. So this is a puzzle box. Here we have to find the EG words and then we have to circle that. Then we have to write it on our English copy and we will draw the pictures. You pictures you have already learned in your previous class. Yes, that pictures you have to practice again. Okay, so come, let's do it. See the box properly. In this box you have to find the EG words. Yes, this is very interesting, trust me. So practice it. Come. Okay, now look at the box. Here I have already colored some three-letter words. Okay, see here. MEG, that we have found from the box. See, MEG, Meg. Yes, you have introduced with a little girl and her name was Meg, right? MEG, Meg. Now see here. Again, I have found three-letter word, EG word, and that is EGG, egg. Yes, very good. See properly. EGG, egg. EGG, egg. Now, can you tell me, children, who gives us egg? Yes, we can get egg from two animals. One is hen and another is duck. Very good. So, we get egg from two animals, hen, duck. Okay. Now, come to the next three-letter word that I have found. See here, PEG, peg. PEG, peg. P-E-G, peg. You know what are pegs? Yes, it helps us to hang the wet clothes. We have used peg and we use it in our daily works. Yes, to hang the wet clothes. We use it, Mama uses it, right? So that is peg. So I have found three words for you. Now you have to find the other three words from EG words family. And I know you can do it. Yes, so please practice it. It will increase your vocabulary and it will increase your intelligence. So I hope you have understood what I am trying to say and do practice it. Okay, children? Till then, take care and bye bye. Have a good day.